Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how plant-based meat is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This is the world of modern food production, where plant-based ingredients are transformed into something that looks, cooks, and tastes remarkably like real meat. Everything begins here, where high-quality plant-based ingredients arrive: soy, pea protein, natural oils, seasonings, and binders. Each container and every batch is carefully inspected to ensure top quality. The ingredients are then measured precisely and added into large stainless steel tanks. Soft steam, gentle machine hums, and moving conveyor lines mark the beginning of the production process. In this section, advanced industrial mixers blend the plant proteins, oils, and natural flavors into a smooth and consistent mixture. Temperature, moisture, and ingredient ratios are monitored closely from a computerized control room. Once ready, the mixture travels through large metal pipelines toward the main production zone. This is where the real transformation takes place. Inside the extrusion machine, the mixture is heated and shaped into fine, fibrous strands, creating a texture very similar to real meat. Robotic arms and skilled workers guide these strands into molds, forming burger patties, nuggets, or strips. This is the key step that gives plant-based meat its realistic, meat-like bite. After shaping, the patties move along the conveyor line to cool. Once cooled, they enter automated sealing machines. Labels, nutritional information, and brand tags are applied with perfect precision. The finished packs are then placed into larger cartons, ready for shipment. Every batch undergoes strict quality checks under bright LED inspection lights. Texture, color, moisture, and consistency are all carefully evaluated. Finally, forklifts load the boxed products into refrigerated trucks. From here, plant-based meat travels to stores around the world, offering a healthier, sustainable alternative to traditional meat.
And chill RPG parcel. And that's how plant-based meat is made from start to finish.
For more industrial documentaries and behind-the-scenes videos, don't forget to subscribe.